Okay, so what we are trying to do is share a PDF with a class in a multi-device type of environment so that they can fill in the form. So first option was, edit these PDFs with Adobe Acrobat Pro and then get them so that they're editable forms. However, bit tricky to get those, particularly using Chromebooks for students. So we can upload them to Google Classroom, download them, but then you need an extension or an add-on or another application to actually edit them. So what's the bit of a hack? Well, get it into Google Slides. So what we've done is we take a screenshot of the whole page. We save that as an image. And then in Google Slides, we've set up a Google Slide that the page setup is the same size as an A4 page. Okay. And then what we've done is we've pasted in our screenshot of the form as a background image. And to do that, right click on the slide, go to change background, and we choose that image. And luckily I was onto it and I actually recorded the images with the page numbers. And so that means that that image is going to be uneditable, which is good. So what we want to be able to do is have places where the students can actually enter the text. So in that case, all we do is simply insert some text boxes in those fields so that students, it'll look basically like a form. Now, I did find you need to sort of do some editing here, so you've got to find the right size font and then make sure that the alignment is in the middle, and then it will look like that they are filling in an actual application form. And obviously because it's a Google Slides, then it can be distributed via Classroom, collected in via Classroom, and make the assessment of it quite a bit easier. I had a bit of an issue playing around with the view. So again, you'll need to instruct kids to zoom in to maybe 100%, maybe even a little bit closer. And also the checkboxes were quite different. So what I ended up doing is I inserted a text box with a bullet point. Okay, and I used the square bullet point. And then what you can do, the kids, to check them is right click over the square and choose the actual tick box. And obviously it's just a case of having to move those tick boxes just so that it lines up with the tick boxes here on the form. So hopefully you can see it's a little bit of a bodge job, but it does have the same effect in terms of filling out a form online or as a PDF, and gives the same functionality. Enjoy.